huge. I can't even get it in the net. Holy cow.
Rusty.
I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but it's a big jackfish or something. It's a big fish. Oh, come on. It's got to be a big jack. It's got to be. Oh, man. Oh, she doesn't want to come up. Oh. It's got to be a big pike. Holy cow. Massive pike. Massive pike. Huge. I can't even get it in the net. Holy cow. This thing is massive. It's almost like a muskie. I can't even get it in the net. Oh, this is huge. Oh, holy cow. This is amazing. Look at the size of this thing. On a jig head, no doubt. Get him back in the water. Let's measure him and get him in. This thing is absolutely massive. It won't even fit on the board. This is not even gonna fit on. It's full. Look at this thing. I don't even know. I gotta get that out of its mouth. This is an absolute monster fish. Absolute monster. Ah! Look at the size of this thing. It is absolutely huge. It's past the board. So this is 36. This is a 37-inch pike. Woo! Beauty. Gotta get him back in the water. Come on, big fella. I wish I could get somebody in the boat to take a picture of this bad boy. Look at this thing. Come on, buddy. You got it. There he goes. Woo! Looking for walleye, but I'll take those. Gonna have to move my spot because there's no way there's gonna be walleye sitting here now. What a beauty day. Big walleye. Good size. Bigger walleye. Now they're biting. Now they're biting. Doesn't feel on this lake. 9 o'clock. 17 and a half inch walleye. She's a beaut. And we're gonna keep her for a shore lunch. It's beautiful. If you've never caught walleye before, you gotta keep your hands away from their mouth. Watch the side of their gill plate, and obviously on top here, you cut your hand. But she's a beaut. It's the perfect size for eating, 17 inches. Put her into the live well, see what else is out there. Good size. Good size. Eater here. $16. It's a great eater. We'll keep this one. Letting out everyone else go. Let all the rest go. It's a home lake, so we don't want to take out what we don't need. We only need 2 today, so just keep fishing here for a bit. It's a beautiful walleye though. It's nice tips on it. It's a 16, so perfect eating. Okay, I'm just gonna cut in just in behind his fins and then just up his neck behind the gill plate. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna run the knife all the way through the rib cage, staying on this side of the fins, the back fins here, all the way to the end. There you go. little bit bigger of a walleye, I'm going to cut out the cheek. I'll show you what I do there. The cheeks are very good. There it is there. Next, rib cage. This rib cage here. You're going to want to get that out. So just underneath, put your knife and just there's no bones in there now. What you are going to do is take out right here down the center. You're going to zip it just down the center. On either side, there's a set of bones there. I used to always eat that. We had an old pastor tell us not to do that. There's a trick here for taking the skin off. Just grab a set of pliers, hold her there, and you're going to move the pliers against the knife. So just cut in right to the skin and move the pliers against the knife. There you go. And just take that middle piece out, that backbone there. Key here is to make sure you get all the blood off. And make sure they're good and clean. Okay, I'm using, just soaking them in some water. You can use milk or egg or whatever you like. Beer, whatever. Take these nuggets and let them soak. I'm just going to take the cheek out of here. So you just don't go too deep. Cheek. A lot of people really like these. Pretty good. There's the cheek there. Usually the skin slides right off. If not, you can pull it off. It's really easy to take off. It's a good piece of meat right there. I try to harvest as much of the walleye as I can, and of course put back what I'm not going to eat. We let them soak as long as they like, and then throw them in this batter and completely cover them. Easy way to do it, throw it in a plastic bag so you don't get all flour, especially if you're out in the bush. But we're here at home, so not worried. You want to get them good and covered both sides, just like that. Just got some little nuggets here. That's what you got there. Just a little shore lunch. We can make a fire. Gotta clean up this walleye here because lots of bears in the area, so clean this up and make a fire. I want 4 to 6 minutes for walleye. Golden brown on each side. And when it's done, it should flake. When cooking walleye in a deep fryer, you want your oil at 350. And then usually when they start to float, that's when you take them out. But cooking the fire like this, you've got to really watch them. You want about 6 minutes, should be done. When you take them off, when you break them open, it'll flake. But that's a thing of beauty right there. Be sure to make sure your fire is as even as possible, so everything's cooking as even as possible. Get a piece like that. That's done. That's those cheeks. Four to 6 minutes on the fire, making sure she's not too hot, and should flake. Amazing. You just can't get better walleye than that. Cooked on the fire. Caught like an hour before.